Hello and bah humbug. Today we'll be making Kousa Mahshi, which translates to stuffed squash. Traditionally you use gray zucchini for this dish, which is also called Mexican squash. But if you can't find any at your local store, you can just use regular zucchini or yellow squash. And if you want it to be really easy, here's a link in the top right corner on how to make it with bell peppers. First, take a dozen squash and cut off the ends, then core them. After they're all cut and cored, stuff them with a half batch of Zucchini. Link to that video in the description and in the top right corner. I usually use the end of a spoon to pack the Zucchini down, and then my fingers once it gets closer to the top. You want to leave about an inch empty at the ends. This will leave room for the rice to expand. Place them into an oven-safe dish and submerge them in tomato juice. Cover and bake at 350 degrees for 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, it should be nice and boiling. Pull it out of the oven and let it sit covered for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it'll be ready to serve. Garnish with a little bit of lemon, link in the top right corner to that video. And I also like to garnish with a little bit of sumac as well. The squash should be tender enough that a fork cuts through it with ease. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye, good night, and as always, bah humbug.